Lamsago haina hai ani tal video bo tinini video no chung nugui mannai bahai mobile recharge khainai hai ba bo apps bai recharge khaikhankena chung discount hai ba profit manai man nai tongdi apps no bo apps download khai bo apps no use khaikhanke chung discount manai man ang rokno phunuknai nai tongdi step by step bahai use khainai tei bahai register khainai full details ni rokno phunuknai nai tongdi abo apps wngkha play store o kwbangma manui mano aro tongo o apps ni mung wngkha easy payment o easy payment bai apps recharge khaikhankhe belai no discount manui manai tei alada apps rokni slai belai no kaham kuk apps o apps o use khaikhankhe kwbangma discount manui recharge khaiui nai manai nai tongdi bahai register khainai ang o apps no click khaikhankhe bahai interface fani welcome to easy payment jagao sample rojak tongnai cashback and every recharge and bill payment abo khai mannai slide khai nai mannai aro slide khai nai khankhe easy to add balance down bagai be easy tongo ge aro tongphio haine refer and earn abo hai refer khai bo earn khai mano ge aboni pore get started click khadi get start click khaikhankhe mobile number enter ma khainai je mobile number by open khainai mobile number enter khadi next rokhankhe rannini name your name siani type khadi name type khadi ang name type khaikha type khaimani yagulo aro tongo register click khaikhankhe aro OTP phainai OTP aro type khainai OTP type khadi type khaikhankhe verify OTP o click khadi verify OTP click khaikhankhe abai interface painai o jagao enable allow khaidi fingerprint hai ba jekono lock screen ni open khaidi lock screen khaikhankhe aro mpin set ma khainai 4 digit ni mpin first tongo first 4 digit mpin cd o mpin baino narak recharge khaini pro aro balance transfer khaini pro samung nangnai mpin jemon phone pay google pay rokni hai mpin confirm khaidi confirm khaikhankhe na obai interface paisnai ni rok nugui mankhana dashboard kwbangma tongo dashboard o tongo prepaid recharge postpaid recharge DTH add balance khaijaknai tongo wallet history transaction prepaid recharge postpaid recharge DTH electricity FASTag kwbangma cylinder credit card rokni kwbangma views naijaknai tongo option tolao tongphio haine hai tolao tongo refer no khaijaknai tongo deals QR abo hai rok support menu refer and earn rok click khai nainai refer and earn click khaikhankhe obai interface hainai o jaga share invite rok khai mano friends rok no invite khainai refer code bai nung earn khainai mano hadi back khainai lephinai okor jagao register khaikha matra no 5 taka add wngnai 5 taka ani add wngkha Oh 5 GB nang recharge kainani soknai ge ang recharge kainani bagai prepaid o click kainai prepaid recharge aro click kai kangke aro nini mobile number type khai mano hai ke direct nini contact number search khai nai mano contact number search khai nai bagai allow rodi allow khai di allow khai mani pore aro nang search khai nai mano nini je mobile lo save khai jak tongmani no nini je contact tongmani bobono recharge khai nai mano nang type khai nai mano select khai ang Roxani mobile number na select khai nai select khai kangke ke automatic circle hai ke ba rok phainai aro Airtel ni abangka enter amount ke views plan batongo aro view plan no click khai kangke ke interface phainai aro bo recharge no nang recharge khaina musuk abono select khai mankha abai ke no select khai nai manai telka apps rok ni hai same na aro কয়েকটা recharge option paikha recharge option o jekono option jekono kaisa je recharge khaina musungmano khai nai mannai abai kene select khai mannai phiaba ani aro balance kwrwi 5 taka si matro ke ang balance pila add khainai aro add balance o click khai di add balance o click khai kangke ke interface phainai online o click khai di click khai kangke aro tinta option phainai o tinta option bisingo jekono ekta option click khai di UPI rok bai payment khai mannai balance add khai mannai ang jekono kaisa select khai sibano paso ang select khai mani pore aro amount add ma khainai amount type khai di ang 600 add khainai 600 add khai kangke pay o click khai di pay o click khai kangke abai ke option phainai nini je install khaijak mobile o ang Google Pay no option choose khaike Google Pay bai ang payment khainai ani easy payment o ang security ni bagai aro off khaijakha payment khai rokha payment khaimani pore aro nirok nugui mankhana loge loge no done ongoi thangkha aro done no click khai kangke nirok nugui mannai ani balance add ongoi thangkha eko nirok nugui mankhana add ongoi phaikha 605 mane 600 plus ani register ni 5 rupees recharge khaina sikang chwng commission nainai lainai o apps ni bisingtwi bwsuk bwsuk bo jagao commission bwsuk manaiman ke tabuk puila o sakani aro commission naidi commission chart aro commission chart rojak tongo Airtel o tongnai 1.30% abai ke commission mannai BSNL o tongnai 4.50% aro haino BI Jio abai ke alada commission manai manai tei DTH recharge bo khaina manai o jagao Dish TV Tata Play Videocon DTH Sun TV abai manai commission alada khaiwi ke laina abo apps ni haijing tei commission rojak tongo ketei alada apps rok jemon Google Pay Phone Pay rok bai recharge kaika hingke kuno commission manya ke o apps ni bisingtwi recharge kaika hingke commission manai haini bagui ang oro recharge kai phunuknai prepaid o click kaika hingke obo ke enter sainai o jaga o mobile number type khai mannai haike ba search kaiwi nini contact save kaijak no recharge khai mannai hingke ang kaisa select kaika select kaimani bisingtwi tabuk ang recharge khai phunuknai view plans ang naipika haini hai first ni no ang select kaichinai 579 579 no ang kaichinai recharge khai phunuknai proceed to pay o click kaidi recharge khainani bagui proceed to pay o click khainai proceed to pay o click khaikangke abo ke nini jaga o mpin sinani option phainai je puila register khaisanibo mpin 2ta 4 digit mpin sanammani mpin no click khaikangke abo ke enter nei processing transaction processing najang ke recharge wngwi thangkangke done wngnai eko request accept recharge wngwi thangka okay iko nirok nugui mankana o jaga o dashboard payment mode wallet theke payment khaijagoi transaction amount 579 tongmani amount debit khaijakka 571.473 571 se delete debit khaijago tangjagoi tei discount manka 7.527 mane 7 taka discount tei 571 taka debit khaijakka ani total tabuk tongrokha 33.53 paisa ge jodi sini rokbo o apps no hamjagui tongkha ke ani o video ni description o link rojak o link o click khaiwi register khainadi hingke laini hamnai।